What?
I said I'm a badass. You don't like when people move your chair?
No, it's already like that. How do you shift, man?
Oh, can I move it or what?
No.
Can I? Am I allowed to?
No, you gotta press the clutch.
This one?
The far left.
This left?
Yeah.
This
that
one?
that one, yeah.
Then I can move it.
Yeah.
Short. I know. There you go.
You gotta get it. Where you at now? Oh Okay.
Is this neutral?
Where's neutral? What is neutral? You gotta move. You gotta.
There, this is
yeah,
neutral.
that's neutral.
First. Second. Third. Neutral.
What?
Neutral. I'm on neutral.
Where you at?
What if I let go of the brake? Record on Google.
Guess what is that called, baby?
What?
It's called what? Red line?
Red line. You said that already. Red line. So when you park it, leave it on neutral?
Mm-hmm.
Ang galing ko, no? I know. You know how if I learn, I'm just listening to the time.
Mm-hmm.